it's glowing.
Let's play with it.
Okay, I'll race you.
Go, Hashim. Here we go. I'm coming.
Get funny.
Looks like a game controller. What happens if I press it? Whoa. Time just stopped.
You look like a statue, bro.
There. Don't want you to cry later. Why am I standing like this?
Ice cream safe. Yay.
I found something crazy. It stops time. Yeah, right. And my bunny can fly. Watch. No way! This is real! Told you. Wait, did it just get weaker? Maybe it has limited uses?
My balloon. It's all. You're the best, Hashim! You always help me.
Of course. I'll always be there. I think Hania likes you more than ice cream now.
No, maybe a little.
Hania, wait!
Hashim!
This might be the last time. It doesn't matter. I've got you. You're safe.
Hashim, I was so scared. It's gone, isn't it?
Yeah, but it was worth it. Guess you're still a hero, even without magic. Maybe real heroes don't need buttons.
You're my hero.
So, hero, what's your next power? Maybe learning to say no to you.
No more buttons, just us.
Just us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Join us for more fun.
See you in the next adventure.